Okay, so I have my third layout from the September kit. And this one I'm using also cardstock add-on kit. And my photo mats are matted on white cardstock from my stash. That pink layer is Pink Paisley's Turn the Page. And that multicolored layer behind my photos is also Pink Paisley. I'm going to use Slate Distress ink. And that cut apart card is also from Pink Paisley. It's from one of the papers had cut apart cards, and this is one of them. And I also use that as my title, You Are Stronger Than You Think. And I'm using some chipboard stickers and die cuts, all from the Pink Paisley Turn the Page. And my homemade flare, I also use those. And those stickers are, no, I'm sorry, the chipboard stickers, the chipboard stickers, which is those stars and the flowers. Those are American Crafts Fresh Start Thickers. And so I'm using the stars and the arrows. And not this layout, but some layouts towards the end, because I did only get the main kit, which I found I ended up with more paper left over than embellishments. So I was running low on embellishments. So I did pull out my Freckle Fawn kits, which I pulled like the florals and the more of the summery themed embellishments from Freckle Fawn. I pulled those out to use. And I do. What's wrong, Coco? Did you get me your sock? Huh? Go get me your sock. In a little bit, we're going to vacuum. Yeah. So I'm just putting down all my embellishments. And I'm going to add enamel dots. And the enamel dots are just left over. Sometimes I used a few and then didn't use them again. But I used there's random. Some are from the kits, some are from Freckle Fawn, so I just kind of mixed them all. And now I'm going to use those Tattered Angeled Mists to do some splatters. Trying to match colors that are in the embellishments. And I did this one while I was on Christmas break as well. So I actually took the time to do some mixed media. And I'm going to use a paper towel to kind of blotch it up. Okay, so I do come in and I do some, using the mists, I spray on packaging and add some more mixed media that way. Some more mess to the layout. And that I spilled on my table, so I'm just gonna use it. And I end up getting mist on my fingers, and it stained, and it finally did wash away eventually, but for several days I had blue fingers. So when I finish doing the packaging technique, that will pretty much complete the layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.